Did you know that more than 9% of children between the ages of 2 and 17 have ADHD? That's over 6 million students in classrooms across the nation. Today, we're going to unpack ADHD and how it affects student performance in a typical classroom setting. Stay tuned for more details. Before we jump into it, make sure to give us a like, follow, and comment if you enjoyed, and make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here where we talk about how to best prepare for final exams. So before we begin talking about how ADHD affects students in the classroom, we need to first break down ADHD and discuss exactly what it is. ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, and it is a neurological disorder that affects the way an individual's brain develops. ADHD symptoms vary from person to person, but in general, the person has difficulty paying attention, staying still, has impulsive decision-making, and has difficulty controlling emotions. A subset of people will possess the inattentive type of ADHD, sometimes called ADD or attention deficit disorder. This condition can actually be more problematic as a student, as students with ADD may have the same problems at school, but are more likely to go undiagnosed and unnoticed without the hyperactive component to serve as a marker for the ADD. In a typical classroom setting that sees class sizes in the 30s, a student with ADHD can go unnoticed by teachers, which can result in the student falling behind. This environment is not ideal for students with ADHD, as distractions are prevalent and can drastically affect the student's academic performance. Additionally, they may have difficulty with following directions from the teacher or completing tasks and homework on time due to the difficulty in controlling impulsivity or emotions. Research suggests that 30 to 40% of students with ADHD require a specialized curriculum to stay on track. So, how can schools help students with ADHD? Well, one-to-one learning is one of the most effective curriculums for students with ADHD. Here at the Tenney School, we've developed a curriculum around one-to-one learning, as well as shortening the class periods to 30 minutes, which keeps student retention rates and academic efficiency as a high priority. Our teachers are able to keep track of each student and adjust the lessons as needed for each individual student's progress. Also, the added benefit of having a supportive and learning environment helps ease students with anxiety about not paying attention and falling behind. By providing a one-to-one learning program, students with ADHD are able to receive individual attention from their lesson plan and in turn their teachers. This allows them to really stay focused during a task and also give them the opportunity to develop an academic relationship with their teacher so both parties can truly understand and benefit from each other. This type of learning can help them develop important skills like self-regulation and organization that will benefit them in the future. It's an invaluable resource that can help empower these students to create a safe environment for them to learn. One-to-one learning is an integral consideration for those with ADHD, as it helps them to thrive in the classroom and reach their full academic potential. It teaches important skills like self-regulation and organization that will benefit them in the future. We hope this information has helped you gain a better understanding of ADHD and the impact it can have on student performance. We are proud to provide our students with an environment where they can learn, grow, and reach their full potential. I'd like to thank you for tuning in to today's episode of TenneyTube. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to also click that bell icon to be notified whenever we post something new. See you on the next one.